you're not getting any clicks and your product page bounce rate is high. Whether you're running product ads, if your product page has not high quality photos, you'll end up losing your money. Hey guys, my name is Rana and in this video I'll show you guys how you can transform your images into amazing looking product photos, video ads, and fashion model for print-on-demand e-commerce clothing businesses with all-in-one free AI tool, SellerPic.ai. So go to the first link in the video description or you can type in this URL. It'll take you to this SellerPic.ai website. When you use SellerPic.ai to transform your e-commerce images, it doesn't look like AI generated. Their technical team fine-tuned the model millions of times just to present the best product photo effect that converts. To get started with this AI tool, just click on the login/sign up button. In the next page, click on sign up and fill in the sign up form, or you can use your Google account to log in. After signing up, you will see many AI tools that help you to boost your e-commerce sale. We'll start by transforming our still images. People who run their e-commerce businesses from home, they usually click photos with their smartphones. When you click photos with your smartphone, they look something like this. And photos like these can help you to grow your e-commerce businesses. Let's transform this image into something amazing within minutes. For that, we want to remove the background and add the background, and then we will enhance the image quality to achieve the maximum result. So select the background replacer tool, upload your image by clicking on the device button. After uploading the image, it will remove the background automatically. Once the background is removed, you'll see the canvas drop down. From here, select the canvas size for your marketplace, or you can choose the custom size as well. I'll keep it original size. You can also adjust the size of your product by grabbing these points. From the right hand side, you can choose AI background or plain background. You can either upload your own background or you can write a prompt to add a background for this product. For example, you can say on a bed, in the kitchen, or anything of your choice. In this case, I'll select rock preset from AI background and then simply click on the generate button. Within a minute, you will see amazing looking product photo. Alright, you can see SellerPic.ai has generated amazing photo. Recently, SellerPic.ai has launched a cool new feature, image retouch. With this tool, you can modify your selected area with a prompt. This feature can be useful if you want to replace any part of the image. Once you're happy with the result, now we are ready to move to the next step where we need to enhance the image quality. You can enhance the image quality directly from here, or you can just download the photo in any format of your choice and upload the photo inside the image enhancer tool. Let's open the image enhancer tool. Upload a downloaded photo of your product. Select 4K from the right hand side and then click on the generate button. Within a minute, it will enhance your product photo. To see before and after, just select the photo from here, turn on compare function. Now zoom in with your mouse scroll wheel. Here you can clearly see that before and after result. If you want to remove any unwanted object from your product image, you can use Magic Eraser tool directly from here. When you open the Magic Eraser tool, you'll find the selection tools from the right hand side. You can use zoom in and zoom out button and hand tool to move the photo around. You can adjust the brush and eraser size from here, or you can use the lasso tool to select the object. Once you make the selection, just click on the generate button and within a minute, it will remove the object. SellerPic.ai has a color changing tool that can change the color of your product. Let me show you how you can use this tool. Open this photo and select color changer from the AI tool. In the pop-up, you will have select and deselect tool. Use the select tool to select your photo. You may need to click multiple times to select the whole photo. Once the selection is made, just click on the confirm button. In the right hand side, you can select the color of your choice, adjust the saturation, contrast and brightness, and then make sure to select the edge restoration. And finally, click on the generate button and within a minute, you will get your product photo with different color. Once you're happy with the result, just click on the download button to download the image. Now it's time to show you another amazing cool feature of SellerPic.ai. If you're running e-commerce clothing businesses, this feature is going to save your time and money. Let's say you're selling accessories, top and bottom wear on your e-commerce marketplace, but you don't have a budget to hire expensive fashion model for your product photography. To solve this problem, SellerPic.ai has launched a new AI tool, AI Fashion Model, where you can see 3 types of mod. First, you will see virtual try-on accessory. This mode is perfect for accessory like hats, glasses, shoes, and etc. With the virtual try-on apparel, you'll get unique model poses and angle, flat lay, hanger, and manicure display. This means this mod works perfectly when clothes are arranged on a flat surface like floor or table and photographed from above, and for clothes hanging on a hanger. When clothes on manicure, it will display how cloth or design would look in real life, and not recommended for clothes who has text and image design. On the other hand, Swap Fashion models are perfect for product with pattern or text, and not recommended if you need unique poses and angle for models, and performs poorly in flat lay and hanger displays. Let's try them one by one. First, let's try virtual try-on accessories. Upload your product image. If you see any pop-up, just close it. On the right-hand side, select the hat and cap from the category drop-down, and then select your model. You can also select the area. In case you don't like any model from here, you can upload your own model. You can upload your own model image by going to the Custom tab. For now, I'm going to select this model and then click on Generate button. Within a minute, this model will wear your product. So as you can see guys, the results are amazing. Once you're happy with the result and you want to download the image, remember one thing, make sure to enhance the image before downloading it. Now we will use virtual try-on apparel. First, upload top wear and then bottom wear. On the right hand side, we have minimal mod and the batch mod. Below you see the filters to sort the models. So select your model and then simply click on the Generate button. Now within a minute, this model will wear your apparel. So guys, as you can see, SellerPic.ai has generated amazing looking photos. Now let's use Swap Fashion Model. Here, first upload the image. On the right hand side, you will see 2 options, model and screen. Select the model. You can also customize their expression and body type. Now select the scene and then click on the Generate button. Within a minute, you will see a model wearing your clothes. This is one of the best option to generate the countless images without hiring an expensive fashion model. What do you think? Now let's take a look at SellerPic.ai amazing feature, image to video. So select the image to video tool from here. Just upload your product image. On the right hand side, you will see the prompt section where you can write the prompt to add the certain motion into the image. Writing a prompt is optional. You can leave it blank if you like. It will still animate your image. Now simply click on the Generate button. Now it will take a few minutes to animate the product image. Now I'm gonna speed the video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Alright, as you can see guys, the SellerPic.ai image to video tool did a great job. It converts the simple image into amazing looking video. Here's a pro tip for you. Create several video clips with this tool of your product and then edit all those clips with any editing software like CapCut or Premiere Pro and then edit your final video. Once your editing is done, render the video clip and promote the video any platform of your choice. You can run Facebook ad, Pinterest ad, Google ads, any ad network of your choice. So try out all these amazing AI tool of SellerPic.ai and skyrocket your e-commerce sale. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you found the video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.